hello. Serge here. Today we're at the Tegunungan Waterfall. Tegunungan, I think. Anyway, names aren't...
No, I need to...
Anyway, names aren't important. Let's have a look here.
Oh!
Whoopsie daisies. Away we go. We're off to have a look at the waterfalls.
Sorry!
Having trouble with the film crew today. Sorry, sir. Any just send the bill to her. Yes, we'll give her your the address.
Oh, so sorry.
Trouble with the film crew today. Anyway, we're off at the Tegunungan Waterfalls today. Let's have a look over here. Come on. Here's the lovely staff. Made us a smoothie. Very tasty.
Yes, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. Grazie, grazie.
Grazie.
Come with me. Come with me. Can't spend all day fixing fans. Right. Out here. Been here before, actually. Not trying to be a noter, but, you know, 60 years ago or something. And this bridge, I'm sure it wasn't there. But anyway, enough of the bridge. This is the Tegunungan Waterfall. Quite nice. Come over here, have a look from here. Lots of water flowing down. We're at the top, at the restaurant, and just refreshing ourselves before the walk down. Not too hard, even, you know, us retired folks can get down there. Oh, excellent. Come around here. Here's the Tegunungan Waterfalls. We're going to head down there soon. We'll see you down there. Bye for now.
So when the oh god,
That's hilarious.
Yeah. Go to the toilet now. Here we go. Oh, I gotta go.
Sorry. Oh, good movie.